In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to layer elements in Figma. We'll walk through a simple workflow that shows you how layering actually works as you move from a blank canvas to a set of organized frames with shapes on top of one another. Start by heading to figma.com. Once you're in your workspace, you'll see your files and spaces. The goal is to get into the project where you want to practice layering, so look for the All Projects view. Clicking on All Projects helps you see everything in one place, which is especially useful if you have multiple teams or files. It's a quick way to avoid opening the wrong document and to keep your work organized. Next, pick the project you want to work in and click to open it. This brings you into the main editor where you can design. Think of this as your desk. The center is your canvas, the left shows your layers, and the right has your properties. Keeping an eye on the layers panel will make the concept of stacking order crystal clear as we go. Now, create different frames. Frames are the containers for your designs, like screens, artboards, or sections. Creating more than one frame is helpful because it lets you test variations while keeping each idea separate. You can use presets for common device sizes or draw custom frames. As soon as you create a frame, it appears as a parent item in the Layers panel, and anything you add inside will be stacked in order from top to bottom. With your frames ready, draw some shapes and place them in the different frames. Try rectangles, ellipses, or polygons and give them distinct fills so you can see overlaps clearly. When two shapes overlap in the same frame, the one higher in the Layers panel sits visually on top. Drag a shapes layer up or down in the panel to reorder it, and watch how the stacking changes on the canvas. This is the heart of layering. The arrangement is simply the layer order within that frame. If you need quick adjustments, you can also use bring forward or send backward commands to change the stack without moving objects around. A few tips as you go. Layering is frame specific, so objects only stack relative to others inside the same frame. Naming layers as you create them keeps everything clear, especially when designs get complex. And grouping shapes can help you manage clusters without losing control of the stacking order inside the group. That's it. By navigating to your project, setting up frames, and placing shapes, you've seen how layering works in Figma through the Layers panel and on the canvas.